Okay, quick update, guys. This is my telescope, the complete package, the tube, the spider, the secondary mirror, the primary mirror cell, the corrector, the focuser, basically the whole kit. There is something wrong, some kind of astigmatism going on, so Teleskop Service has been kind to take it to their house and to go through it to see what it might be, which is wrong, what kind of error it is. I had a conversation earlier this year with Wick Menard. He said that don't be surprised if it is the secondary mirror. It's quite often that those guys causes astigmatism. So yeah, this is where I stand now, in the middle of October. The season has begun. We have quite a few hours of darkness now, so I'm quite eager to get this telescope fixed and up and running. And here is Atlas. He's very supportive, kind of and I need him right now. Hi cat. Say hello to all the viewers. Oh, he's just caring about watching. Okay, so this is it. I will make a follow-up on how things is going. Over and out. Bye.